Hi everybody, Wendy Sellers here, the HR lady. Hey listen, ChatGPT came out at the end of November 2022, so that's been quite some time ago, and there have been a lot of changes, and I believe they're all for the better. And so anything that you've learned in the past, you can definitely continue to use in ChatGPT with a few exceptions, which I want to go over real quickly, just so we're on the same page. OpenAI is the company that has developed ChatGPT. So if you feel like you need to find any information, you can simply go to openai.com/ChatGPT and you will come to this page right here. And there's a lot of information right here that you could find. It tells you can ask it anything. Now ChatGPT can see, hear, and speak. Some of you may have to upgrade to the Plus version, however, to do that. And that is currently, I believe, $20 a month. That may have changed. There is a team option as well, and all the pricing information is right here, so we can confirm that as well. There is still going to be a free option called currently 3.5. The paid option currently is going to be called ChatGPT 4, and then you can see there are other options as well. And again, ChatGPT can see, hear, and speak. It is been updating more than a monthly basis rather than a weekly basis, which is what it was doing for quite some time. And you can use ChatGPT for anything from trip planning to math tutoring, writing, policies, job descriptions, ads, songs, you name it. It is just amazing. There is other information on ChatGPT also on the openai.com website /GPT/4, and it gives a lot of information here regarding the ChatGPT paid version, which is called Plus, and just general information if you're looking to check that out and find out, hey, where are we at? What's going on? What are the changes? A lot of the changes are behind the scenes, and I have found through my research and through people that are more in the know of the IT techie side that the database is getting bigger and bigger and bigger. One of the biggest changes that I have seen, however, is there used to be a version called ChatGPT plugins, and that has gone away. I personally say thank goodness, because the ChatGPT plugins were special apps that were made to run with ChatGPT. However, they were not created for or by OpenAI. They're created by other users, and so there was a great risk of putting those apps either on your computer or on your phone, and all of my IT technical resources said not to do it, so I didn't, and now I don't have that option. So feel free to check out a lot of the changes with ChatGPT, both the free version as well as the paid version as well. Again, the website is openai.com, and there is a lot of information there. I hope this has been helpful, and please come back for our training so you can learn more with how to use ChatGPT in your workplace to get things off of your to-do list. Take care.